Hi, it's Coach Cece. Welcome back to my channel. Divorce is never easy, but it doesn't have to be destructive. In today's video, we'll explore some unique, non-traditional ways to divorce with dignity while co-parenting. These tips will help you maintain respect, foster positive communication, and ensure your children feel supported through this transition. Let's dive into 5 creative strategies to make this challenging time smoother for everyone involved. Tip 1. Use mindful communication. Practice mindfulness during difficult conversations with your co-parent. Take a moment to breathe and reflect before responding. This helps you stay calm, reduce emotional reactions, and communicate more effectively. Tip 2. Co-parenting journal. Keep a shared journal or digital notebook with your co-parent. Use it to document schedules, notes about the children, share resources, or thoughts on parenting. This can reduce misunderstandings and provide a neutral space for communication. Using a separate journal for your own personal thoughts as an outlet can be very helpful. Tip 3. Embrace co-parenting therapy. Instead of just individual therapy, consider attending co-parenting therapy sessions together. This helps both parties develop skills to collaborate and navigate the new family dynamic more peacefully and productively. It's important to do life with your child so they can feel included and build trust with both parents. Tip 4. Consider hosting family meetings. Attempt to participate in family meetings with your children and co-parent, whether it's weekly, monthly, or bi-monthly, to discuss changes, schedules, and any concerns. These meetings promote transparency, give children a voice, and foster a cooperative environment. Tip 5. Celebrate special occasions together. Whenever possible, come together as co-parents for special occasions like birthdays or important school events. Showing unity on significant days reassures your children that, despite the divorce, they still have the support of both parents. Please understand your children are learning how to be in relationships by watching the actions of their parents. Divorce can actually happen with dignity if you both make the intentional decision to prioritize your child's best interest. In most cases, love was the reason you got married and created a family, so try not to lose sight of that and extend grace to each other as you manage this transition. Believe in your ability to work through challenges and celebrate the positive impact you have on your children's lives. Thanks so much for watching, and please share this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on co-parenting and family life, and please leave a comment below with your thoughts, experience, or any questions you might have. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss our next video, and please check out our stress-releasing videos. Remember, we're in this together. See you in the next video.